Hello everyone. You can see today I came here and I am recording my video here. I am very happy today because I know I am in good place and I am here practicing for English improving. I am very enjoying here and this is the first day of with me here and let's see how much day I can come here and I will try to come here tomorrow, but let's see I can come here or not. So if I talk about my English, so my English is good, but I want to improve more. I want to speak with confidently. That's why I am practicing in this way. If you are practicing, then you can see the improvement in your English also. uh, in English case, we should more requirement to practice. Yes. If we will not practice, then we cannot learn. As you know, listening and reading, everything is very important. But without practicing, we cannot learn anything. So if you are not doing enough practice, so please start your practice and learn this language easy way. You can learn this language and speak in a very easy way. You cannot believe if you are don't have much of time, then you can spend only some time with English, and English is very easy. Yes, believe me, English is very easy. You can learn it, you can speak it with very confident. But you have to say to yourself, I am confident, I can speak English. Please repeat these sentences with yourself again and again and see the best result in yourself. Yes, I am doing this kind of activities and I am improving myself a lot. You can see I can speak English, I can describe anything, but I want to use heavy words. And if I talk about my English and my listening, how much time I am listening. So literally I am telling to you, I am listening in this time, 1 hour daily. Yes, because I am learning a lot with listening. Yes, believe me, I am learning a lot of with listening, which vocabulary and any kind of idioms. If I don't know, then I put down in my notebook and learn and store in my mind. And I think, yes, this kind of idioms I will use in my videos and I will learn it. So this is the best method to enhance our English. And reading, I think reading is a very extremely important in learning journey. Okay, so please read every day. And if you are not able to read a whole chapter in a 1 day, then you can learn, you can read only half page. Okay, because be consistent. Don't think it is a heavy and I am not able to complete everything. So if I'm wanted to share with you, please do something only 10 minutes and you can divide every section. And please don't to be afraid of learning. English is a very good and we can learn this easy way. English can be our part of journey because we can be very good, like we can enhance our English and we can be happy, we can learn it. So that's all I wanted to share with you. See you in the next video and bye bye.